The project management professional exam focuses on distinguishing between traditional output-based metrics and the project management body of knowledge version 8 value delivery perspective. It emphasizes evaluating project success through post-closure benefits realization rather than just outputs. Understanding these differences is crucial for effective project management. Despite meeting all specifications and finishing under budget, the project delivered zero business value as it wasn't used by staff. Project Management Body of Knowledge. Version 8 emphasizes shifting focus from process compliance to actual value delivery, redefining project success beyond just on-time completion. In a real enterprise resource project, we spent $850,000 over 6 months, meeting every milestone. However, the project delivered zero business value due to misalignment among 3 critical sponsors on success criteria. Despite on-time delivery, no value was realized. The traditional view of project management focuses on the triple constraint: time, cost, and scope. In contrast, Project Management Body of Knowledge version 8 emphasizes success through benefits realized, outcomes achieved, and stakeholder value delivered. This shift highlights a broader perspective on project success. An output is what you create, like a new software application. An outcome is the impact it has, such as staff working faster with fewer errors. Businesses ultimately invest in outcomes, not just outputs. The Project Management Professional Exam challenges candidates with scenarios where projects meet technical goals but fail strategically. We'll explore how this discrepancy is analyzed mathematically in a post-closure audit. In this scenario, an organization invests $850,000 to automate warehouse logistics, aiming for a 50% operational speed improvement. The project manager successfully closes the project on time and within budget. However, the critical question remains: did the project achieve the intended business case target? Traditional metrics consider a project successful if it meets time, budget, and scope. However, under Project Management Body of Knowledge version 8, success is measured by value delivered. Here, a 50% speed improvement was targeted, but with 0% adoption, the project failed, resulting in a 50% performance deficit. A common exam mistake is assuming a project manager's role ends at project closure. Exams may trick you by asking if a project is successful just because it met schedule and budget baselines. Don't be misled. To ensure value delivery, focus on outcomes tracking and a robust transition plan. A signed closure document isn't enough. Deliberate handoff and ongoing measurement are crucial for sustained success. In project management, delivering value is paramount. Even if a project is on time, without users, it's unsuccessful. Always prioritize value delivery over rigid scope baselines. This value-driven mindset is central to Project Management Body of Knowledge version 8. In this scenario, the project is deemed unsuccessful under Project Management Body of Knowledge version 8. Despite meeting scope, time, and cost constraints, the lack of active users indicates that the intended business benefits and outcomes were not achieved. Success is evaluated by outcomes, not just adherence to baselines. Option B is correct. Project Management Body of Knowledge version 8 emphasizes that project success is determined by achieving business benefits, not just meeting time and budget constraints. Option A reflects an outdated focus on process compliance rather than outcomes, which Project Management Body of Knowledge version 8 seeks to change. In this scenario, the project manager should collaborate with stakeholders to adjust the scope. This ensures alignment with strategic value delivery despite the market shift. Adapting the scope is crucial to achieving the desired 50% speed improvement rather than rigidly adhering to the original baseline. Option B is correct. According to Project Management Body of Knowledge version 8, project managers should adapt the scope to maintain value delivery rather than strictly adhering to an outdated baseline. Option A is incorrect because delivering an obsolete output on time still constitutes a failure, as rigid compliance can jeopardize value. In the context of benefits realization, the primary responsibility lies with business owners and operational teams. This is because benefits realization often extends beyond project closure, requiring ongoing tracking and management by those directly involved in operations. Option C is correct. Benefits realization extends beyond project closure and is the responsibility of the operational manager and business teams. A common mistake is assuming the project manager is responsible post-closure, but their accountability ends once the project is closed. The callback clause emphasizes that project management is about driving change, not just completing tasks. Success is achieved by aligning project outputs with tangible business benefits, transforming a standard project into a value-generating initiative. Study the Project Management Body of Knowledge Guide, focusing on value principles. Remember, success isn't just on time and on budget. It's about realizing value. Subscribe for more project management professional exam breakdowns to enhance your preparation.